I'm gonna add just a little bit squeeze in here. I'm gonna check in on the edge of the crystal. If I feel scratchy, I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit and fills into the gap. Then is go ahead and it will like close all the gap and seal it in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Moving to this one, I'm gonna do this. This is the smaller side, which is this SS3 and SS4. It's really cuties and it's small, so you don't have to worry so much because between the condensed glue gel and the wet top coat, shiny top coat, it already grabbed the base of tiny little crystal here in one place. So then I'm just doing it really checking to make sure that if scratchy, but if not, you don't have to seal it in, but it does. We just squeeze just a little bit. The little go a long way. You don't need a whole lot. Okay, so now we're gonna cure this beauty for 60 seconds. That is so cute and simple. I hope it will bring you some inspiration, and it's so cute and easy, quick, simple, and easy. So here is a look. Super cute, should be fun. Here's for the camera.